Hey guys, my name is Majd. Hope you're doing well. And of course you're doing well because Cardano is sitting at nearly 95 cents right now. And actually earlier today, Cardano had flipped USDT and was the number 3 cryptocurrency by market cap. Mind blown. I'm absolutely mind blown. And right now it's sitting at 95 cents. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano. We're going to be looking at where we think Cardano is going to go from here. And we're also going to be talking about some Cardano news that's coming up. So taking a look at the Cardano USDT chart, obviously we have a vertical line going up, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, this is happening way faster than anyone could have expected it to. I think most of you can agree, we knew our Cardano would definitely reach $1, but I don't think anybody expected it to hit $1 this fast. And actually it didn't hit $1 yet. It's at 96 cents right now, 95.6. But you get the point. We did not expect this to happen nearly this fast. And I guess that's crypto for you. Things happen way faster than you can expect. Now, I do want to give a warning though. So obviously when things go up vertically like this, you got to be careful, right? So if you're looking to buy Cardano right now, if you're looking to FOMO in, I would be extremely careful. So you can see Cardano is at 91 on the RSI, which is saying that Cardano is extremely overbought right now. And obviously in the medium to long term, it's definitely not overbought. I think Cardano still has a lot of room to go. But in the short term, the RSI is telling us that Cardano is overstretched right now and is overbought. So we could definitely be seeing some kind of short-term pullback, which is obviously something to keep an eye out for, especially when things just go vertical like this. So definitely be careful of a short-term pullback. And the Cardano Ethereum chart is basically saying the same thing. So this is Cardano Ethereum, so the price of Cardano compared to Ethereum. And you can see that, oh, by the way, this is the daily chart. So basically every time it reaches this level, Cardano compared to Ethereum, it has a major correction. And that doesn't mean that Cardano's price has to crash per se. It just means that Ethereum will start outperforming Cardano. Of course, it doesn't have to be the case, but you can see that, just by the pattern itself, every time that Cardano reaches these levels, it has quite a pullback compared to Ethereum. And you can see that we rallied all the way up to those levels again. And I do expect that Cardano will start to have a pullback compared to Ethereum, and Ethereum will start to outperform Cardano in the short term. So that's definitely something to be careful of. And it makes perfect sense because Ethereum's been on a huge rally, of course, but we all expect it to break $2,000 relatively soon, and Cardano is probably going to have a pullback relatively soon. So Ethereum has been coiling up recently, and it's probably going to have a big move, and we could expect to see the Cardano Ethereum chart crash here. Maybe not go all the way down to these levels right here, but this is definitely a chart to be looking at in the short term. Taking a look at the Cardano Bitcoin chart, this is also, again, screaming for a correction because you can see that over here at the 20 Satoshi level, or not 20 Satoshi, 2000 Satoshi level, obviously not 20 Satoshis, there's a very big support and resistance level here. So you can see we found amazing support here, and when we broke it, we had a huge correction. And over here we found resistance, and now we're testing that level again. And this happens to be exactly where Cardano is starting to slow down. So again, 3 charts are showing that Cardano may be in for a short-term correction, right? The ADAUSDT chart with the overbought RSI, the Cardano Ethereum chart, and the Cardano Bitcoin chart testing some major resistance in the short term. So again, be careful for a short-term correction. But yeah, right now we're sitting at exactly at the 2000 Satoshi level, which is amazing. Again, I did not expect this to happen so fast. Now, there is something else on this chart that I want to mention. This chart is extremely bullish because, I think once we break the 2000 Satoshi level, Cardano is going to start outperforming Bitcoin like crazy. And you can see Cardano has so much room to run in terms of Bitcoin, and its all-time high was nearly 9,000 Satoshis, again, which is mind-blowing. So once we break this resistance over here, which I believe we will undoubtedly break it eventually, we might get rejected off of it the first time, but when we break it, I think Cardano has a lot of room to run compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, that's just another thing to be looking out for. Now, Cardano, I've been screaming that Cardano is probably the best investment for 2021. I really do think that Cardano has the highest reward to risk ratio of any cryptocurrency. And again, highest risk to reward ratio does not necessarily mean that it's going to do the best, because I'm sure that there's going to be some really small cap coins that are going to outperform Cardano like crazy. And what it does mean, however, highest reward to risk ratio, is that compared to the amount of risk that is involved with investing in Cardano, it has the absolute best gains that you can come up with. So like obviously Bitcoin is the safest cryptocurrency to invest in. And it has amazing rewards as well, but not nearly as much as Cardano, because Cardano has a significantly lower market cap. Yet, however, at the same time, Cardano is incredibly safe. I think we can all agree now, Cardano is in the top 3 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Cardano isn't a risky investment. It's pretty safe in my opinion, almost as safe as Ethereum. So again, highest reward to risk ratio cryptocurrency, and I'm not changing my attitude about that. I really do think that, again, this is probably just the start of Cardano, regardless of whether we see a short-term correction. And my personal price target for Cardano, I highly recommend you guys watch, where is it? Cardano, how high can it go? It's a 30-minute video, but I do a lot of analysis on where I think Cardano will be heading this year. But essentially in the video, I came up with 3 price targets. And the third price target is incredibly high, and that's because it was assuming everything goes incredibly right, but I'm not going to reveal that to you, so you have to go watch that. But the middle target was $7, and that's still my price target for Cardano. That's where I do think we're going to be seeing Cardano this year, probably around $7. That is my price target. Now, I will be taking profits along the way, that's for sure, and I'm going to be making a video on my exit plan for Cardano, so make sure to stick around until then. But yeah, $7 is my price target for Cardano this year. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is Cardano's community. I think Cardano has undoubtedly one of the strongest communities in the crypto space. So I'm over here on Cardano's subreddit, and you can see we have 159,000 members or Cardanians in the subreddit. Now, taking a look at Ethereum's, we have 645,000 members, obviously significantly more than Cardano. However, Cardano's subreddit in terms of members is 4 times larger than, or not Cardano, Ethereum's subreddit is 4 times larger than Cardano's in terms of members. However, Ethereum's market cap is 7.5 times larger than Cardano's. So just taking a look at these ratios, I believe that Cardano has a much stronger community behind it than Ethereum. We do not really see die-hard Ethereum fans. At least I don't see them very often. However, with Cardano, there are actually die-hard Cardano fans. And so many people are just Cardano only, which again is, honestly, in my opinion, that's a great thing. I think Cardano still has the highest reward to risk ratio. But yeah, the community for Cardano is absolutely amazing. And I think that's one of the reasons why Cardano is doing so well, because there's just so much good information out there about what Cardano is and so much education on Cardano. And that's what I'm trying to make my YouTube channel, right? So I have a lot of Cardano videos mixed in with a bunch of other videos, but mainly, I mean, the focus is on Cardano because I really, again, like I said, I think it's going to be one of the best investments and just one of the best projects overall. And I'm really excited to see smart contracts and decentralized applications running on Cardano. Now, one problem that's really hindering Ethereum right now is the stupidly high gas fees. And so many of these decentralized applications that have amazing potential and are doing really well, like Uniswap and all of these DeFi applications, are suffering from high gas fees. And I hear people complaining all the time that they don't want to use Uniswap because of how expensive it is to swap your coins on Uniswap because of the gas fees. And this obviously happens because Ethereum's network is really congested right now. But I think that this is one of the biggest catalysts as to why I think Cardano is going to absolutely explode when decentralized applications come to the Cardano mainnet when Goguen comes out. And I know ETH 2.0 is coming out, but that's not expected to come out for at least a year from now. So I think that, developers that have amazing ideas and they want to build their ideas, I think a lot of them will start looking to Cardano before Ethereum because they don't want to have to go through these stupidly expensive high gas fees. So that's just something that's really exciting to me, that not that I want Ethereum to fail or anything, but this one issue that Ethereum is suffering from, right? Its lack of scalability and its stupidly high gas fees is probably going to be one of the biggest reasons as to why Cardano does so well in the next 2 years, as we wait for ETH 2.0 to come out. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is that we are very, very close to a fully decentralized network on Cardano. So we're 80% there. And what that means is that when we reach 100%, IOHK, the parent company of Cardano, is going to be producing 0% of the blocks on the Cardano network. So 100% of the blocks on the Cardano network are going to be produced by the community. So people that are running nodes are going to be producing 100% of the blocks on the Cardano network, and we're 80% there. And this is something that's really exciting. So Cardano is the most decentralized blockchain, and it's about to become 100% decentralized, which is amazing. All right, that's all for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick update on Cardano. And you can see that I release a lot of Cardano videos. So if you're interested in Cardano and want to keep up to date on all Cardano news and all analysis on the Cardano's price, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, I have been promising for a while that I will be releasing a video on my Cardano exit strategy, and that's still in the works, and I will be releasing that very soon. So make sure to stick around until then. All right, that's all for me today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, see you later, guys. Finally, before you leave, I want to remind you that if you haven't already installed the best crypto tracker, then you're doing something wrong. Portfolio View is an app I developed initially for myself because I simply didn't like all the other crypto trackers on the market because they were too bloated with unnecessary features and were too complicated to use. Portfolio View is the simplest, best looking, and easiest to use cryptocurrency tracker and portfolio manager, and still has all the features you need. On top of that, there's no subscription model, and it's a free app. It's only available on iOS for now, but I hope to launch an Android version soon. Check out the link in the description below.